Sora 2 just got uncaged. Higgsfield made it global, unlimited, and 100% uncensored, where now you can create studio level films, ads, and viral TikToks all from a single prompt and all in a single dashboard. This is Higgsfield Sora 2, and it's just changed everything. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kenji Lo. I am an AI enthusiast. I have a marketing agency called Synapse AI, and I share weekly videos on how you can level up with your AI and make AI part of your life, business or personal. And the beautiful thing about it is that OpenAI has built the technology, but Higgsfield has made it accessible to everyone. No wait lists, no region locks, no generation caps. And let's see how it actually works.
Man's in a hurry, huh? Get out,
So both Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro are live right now, giving you full cinematic control, voice, movement, emotion, and storytelling all inside your browser. Let's go through what's new and why everyone is talking about it. So the first thing is that now you have unlimited generations. You can run this as much as you want anywhere in the world. And the beautiful thing about it is that you don't have to sign into a VPN. And like, for example, in Australia, you have to sign into a VPN to be able to access it. And you won't be able to get it on your phone as well because you have to download on your phone. Whereas on Higgsfield, it's much easier to actually access it. You've got 1080p cinematic quality where now it's sharp, it's detailed, and it feels like real production. And the beautiful thing about it is that you have the old Sora 1 clips and Sora 2 Pro outputs, and you can see the difference. You've also got multi-scene reasoning, and this is for Sora 2 Pro only. So Sora 2 Pro brings multi-scene reasoning, which means that it understands story flow. You can now create entire mini films that stay consistent from one scene to the next. And you've got perfect lip sync and also audio sync. So now with lip sync and emotion, they're all spot on thanks to audio-driven synchronization. The last one here is that for anyone that's a power user, Higgsfield links with tools like Soul, Nano Banana, which has gone crazy, Kling, and Infinite Talk. It's all connected workflow from one idea to finished video. So check this out. This is literally just one line of JSON and Sora 2 stitched into an entire ad. So I'm going to show you the demo right now. All right, let's dive into it. So as you can see with Higgsfield, you have all these different options. You've got Google VO 3.1, you've got unlimited sketch to video, and obviously what I'll be showcasing is Sora 2 trends and also Max as well. So I'll create a few videos here. I've done some already. So how you go into this is you go into the Sora 2 menu here. So I actually created an ad before, so you can have a look at what the ad looks like right here. Boom. Let's go. Also, so as you can see, it takes 29 credits for a Sora 2 video, and you can do a general one. You've got all these other presets too. So if you're choosing a different video model as well, they do have that as well. But general is what you want to go for with the videos. You can also draw to video as well if you are a bit more visual and sketch the video, which is another one here where you can sketch it as well. The one that is quite interesting, which I played around with, is this one right here. So as you can see, I've made a video of a capybara stealing this guy's chicken. So you can see here, there's different presets. So you've got general, you've got crazy situation, right? You've got luxury style ad, epic movie scenes, Japanese ad, dramatic. You got anime opening, you got street interview, you got streamer, you got motivation, you got unpacking, you got whole bunch of different ones, right? So you can see that they have all these different presets. So like DJ Set was a pretty popular one where they got Pikachu and they did that in the boiler room. So there's a whole bunch of different videos here. Obviously, what you can do is you can access or create your own GPT first before you actually put the ad or put the video onto the image or the video generation. So as you can see, I've created my own Sora video prompt director. I'm going to create an ad for matcha because matcha is just crazy at the moment in all around the world. So I'm going to get it to make me a Japanese ad about matcha that starts off Zen and goes crazy because everyone goes crazy about matcha. Uh, the matcha brand is called Zenja. Zenja. Make sure it's featuring a Japanese woman that is longing for the taste of matcha. Uh, and she's at work feeling drained. What else can we describe it? You can give it different types of things as well, like different scenes, like what you can give as much details as you want. So you type into here, and then what it does, it creates the prompt for you for Sora 2. So here, type blah, 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 okay. So it gives you kind of a yeah, there we go. Find your inner crazy. Awesome. Let's just go with this. I normally what would I would do was describe this scene in full, scene by scene, so I can visualize the video. So normally I would get it to describe it so that you actually get a feel of what it looks like. Cool. Droop shoulders down. Okay. Raise in. First sip. Okay, cool. Explosion. Nice. Okay, so it's giving me like 5 scenes, which is quite cool. So if we go into here and we want to create the ads through here, so I will obviously type in the prompt, which we got from the GPT, and I'll create generate. And obviously this will take a bit of time. So while we wait for this,
2,000 years later.
all right, so we let that generate. Okay, let's have a look at this ad. This is hilarious. So that's an example of the ad that we've created. So this is actually quite cool. Okay, for this one, I will create a anime opening. Can you create? So you can do the same thing. You can go back to the GPT. Actually, let's do that. Can you make a scene about Open AI versus Grok in for an anime opening? So we'll do the same thing because we want to see clash of intellect, code, and philosophy. Okay, so Shonen meets Cyberpunk. Cool. Scene breakdown. I just want to give me prompts. So give me the prompts. So it's giving us the whole scene, so we don't really need that. Actually, we just got the grab the prompt here. Cool. Cool was OpenAI versus Grok. Or maybe just say change Grok to uh let's say Meta. Let's say Meta AI. There we go. Just change it to Meta. Okay, there we go. This is giving us the scene again, which is good because we kind of actually want it. So it's got mixes core and AI core. Okay, this is interesting. All right, cool. Let's have a look here. So grab that. Okay, we'll chuck that in there. So it costs 33.
5 years later.
All right, so we let that generate, and we've got this anime opening for OpenAI and also Meta AI. So this is quite cool. So just press play. Let's go. So there you have it. That's a simple trend one which they got from those presets over here. So I'm going to show you exactly how much the plans are as well. So to jump onto Higgsfield and to leverage Sora without any restrictions, you can pick your plan. So you can pick your plan through annual. So this is how much it is, basic, pro. I'm on the ultimate plan at the moment, which is actually giving you everything that you need here from 1,200 credits all the way down to UGC Factory and VO 3.1, which is, I feel really good, right? You can go to the top tier creator one as well. And then here's the monthly, which is a little bit higher. So yeah, those are the plans that you can obviously go for. And it's a lot easier. So like you have to look at whether or not you're using the tool or not. If you're using it a lot, it's worth the investment. If you're not using it so much and you're just, producing a few videos here and there, you can just go straight away to Sora 2 as well as the VL 3.1. However, with Sora 2, you notice that the videos that we created actually don't have the watermark, whereas on Sora 2 you do. Agencies are charging over thousands of dollars for 30-second videos built exactly like this. It's not theory anymore because AI has collapsed time, so it's happening right now. You've probably seen it as well that agencies are creating product ads that feel like stories. You've got meme style brain rot clip. And obviously, people are kind of immune to that, but creators are now making fast cut memes on videos now. You can see different types of videos from Martin Luther King, Dragon Ball Z, and all the types of videos that are out there. And then brands are turning full storyboards into create videos without cameras and actors. It's basically a cinema engine that anyone can use. And pretty much, I don't know, man, like Hollywood's dead. So just to wrap up, this is your chance to play with Hollywood level AI. Try it now at Higgsfield.ai. Whether you're a creator, agency, or entrepreneur, Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro give you full control, no gatekeeping, and no limits. Create something wild, tag me when you post, and let's see what you make. If you like my videos and really like this type of content, feel free to just subscribe and I will catch you in the next video.